पूरा गांव जल गया था, स्पार्किंग हो गई बिजली से।
नमस्कार।
किसी ने सही कहा था, लंबे रास्ते छोटे लगने लगते हैं, बस एक बार उनकी पहचान हो जाए तो। उसी तरह मुझे तो इस जगह के गांव और जंगलों के रास्ते रट से गए कुछ ही हफ्तों में। तो चलिए जी, आज मैं आपको लेकर चलती हूँ इन दिस rarely heard and silent village in Sange Valley, Shankar. मेरे according this village has two special things, the history and the dense forest. And luckily, you will get to witness both of them in this episode. So let's go.
हाय हाय हाय।
नाम क्या आपका? नाम बताओ अपना।
वरुण।
और ये कौन सी जगह है? ये जगह कौन सी है? शनगढ़।
Good morning, and here's how the day starts. By the way, I think I somehow started loving working from the tiny villages of India. And I intend to continue this journey of remote work and gathering stories. So if you want to join me along in this journey, do hit the subscribe button. This is Teja uncle and Rishma auntie. I am staying at their homestay and I consider myself super lucky because they are the sweetest host I ever got the chance to be with. Plus, I get to experience a real 180-degree mountain view from their homestay, like the one I virtually visited from the last bench of my high school.
हमारी यहाँ की लोकल डिश जिसे हम सीरू कहते हैं, हम जब भी कोई गेस्ट आते हैं एक बार जरूर इसका टेस्ट करवा लेते हैं कि हमारी लोकल डिश कैसी लग रही।
Right now, I am walking to the main village and the temple area. This is a tower temple in Changarh. It is a newly constructed one after the old one was burnt in a fire a couple of years back.
आपका नाम क्या है?
सुंदरा शर्मा। हाँ, 2014 में जला ये घर।
2014 में जल गया था।
हाँ, 2014 में जल गया था।
और जला कैसे था ये?
बिजली से जला।
पूरा गांव जल गया?
पूरा गांव जल गया था, स्पार्किंग हो गई बिजली से।
आप लोग कहाँ पे थे तब?
हम घर के अंदर थे, जब आग लगी तो हम फिर बाहर निकले खेत को। सोए हुए थे ना, रात को लगी यही।
बहुत लोग, कोई किसी को नुकसान हुआ? कोई
नुकसान तो कोई नहीं हुआ ना,
पर ये मंदिर पूरा जला?
मंदिर पूरा जला।
सामान हो गया,
हाँ, सामान जला ना, प्रॉपर्टी काफी थी पुरानी, लोगों के सोने चांदी गहने पतरे बहुत थे ना, सारे जल कर राख हो गए सारे।
2014 में?
हाँ, 2014।
फिर ये मंदिर दोबारा बना?
दोबारा बनाई। हाँ जी,
2016 में?
2016 में बनाई।
अब आप ठीक हो? यहाँ पे सब सही से रहते हैं?
अब ठीक है, सही।
So a lot of people know Shankar because of this beautiful meadow. It is surrounded with pine trees and overlooked by snow-capped mountains, and a temple which is right in the middle of meadow adds so much more magic to this entire landscape. On the other side of the meadow, you will see lots of kids playing in their free time. This is like their PT ground. You will see cattle, localites just resting away their time.
So right now it's end of February over here. I cannot imagine how this place looks during the monsoon or during the snowfall. Though right now it's predicted that in another 2 to 3 days it will snow over here. So I'm super excited, but just because right now it's like all bare, no greenery. But just like if you come in May, after May or May to like August, September, it'll be like beautiful, super green.
So I was trekking uphill. It was a proper jungle थोड़ी देर पहले, and suddenly I saw people walking over here in their apple orchards. So unpredictable these trails are, you never know where you will reach. and suddenly some major weather changes. It's getting cloudy over here and I'm super afraid if it starts raining because I have like just one bag which is not even waterproof. So I was right, it started raining badly that time. I kept all my stuff inside the bag and ran downhill. Luckily, I found a cafe on the way to protect myself. This is Cafe Stories and More, and thank you so much to these guys. But the weather right now, it's magically beautiful. Let me show you around. So later in the day, the weather got back to normal and here's Teja uncle bringing food for all the guests. This village is not just beautiful, it is breathtaking. So share about Shangarh with your friends, and if you ever come here, do take care of the environment, localites, cleanliness and everything possible. Also, if you really enjoyed this episode, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Kar Hi Dena please. I am super new to YouTube, so if you hit the subscribe button, that will be very helpful. And see you in the another video. Till then, bye bye. हेलो करो
हेलो हेलो हेलो